What is a set? When did you hear? First time set. Math class. In your 4th grade or 5th grade, depending on your curriculum, maybe middle school, you heard about set. Set is what? Group of elements. Like this one. 1, 2, 3. It's a natural number set. How can I define? Number is an infinity, right? It's an infinity number. But I define using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 symbol. Using such a symbol, I define the unlimited number, infinite number. That's the power of mathematics set. Okay? So long time ago, when the mathematician doing their job, like this is operation, the 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 1. So it's possible to change the order of addition, right? How can you prove? Can you do the every number, every possibility? 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 4, and it's infinity. It's not possible. Then how can we deal with such an infinity number, unlimited element? How can you do that? At that time, instead of the number by number, 1, 2, 2, element by element, we use natural number set. At that time, the mathematician defined set theory. Set. Bring the set concept to deal with unlimited number of the element, infinity number. That makes sense. So we don't have to worry about all the cases, just number set, real number set, the rational number set, and what else? The imaginary number set, and such a number. So similarly, when we deal with the data, okay, instead of 1 by 1, why don't we consider 1, 2, collection of data, group of data as a set? That will be easier. Then we don't have to worry about the 10,000 students, the millions of students, just a set, just like as if we are using the number, the natural number. Okay? To simplify the structure, organization, set. Set, database, doesn't look like good. So Dr. E.F. Coate, who proposed the relational model, he used the relation. Relation is the same the concept as the set, just a different name. Then, when he proposed this idea, he used the banking system. It's a very large data. To deal with the very large data, why don't we consider group of data? That's the relational model. Then sometimes it's called RDB, relational database model. In this class, in this semester, we will use such a relational model among a bunch of different databases. Database model. Then, this is a model. This is just a concept. Okay? Then, eventually we need to use this one, computer. So, for the computer, we need to software. We need to implementation. So, there are many software that implement a relational model. We don't know yet what is inside the relational model. Over a very high level view, it's a collection of data, but we don't know yet detail. But some of you already mentioned about the idea, like the table or the row, column. But somebody already implemented this one. It's called, for example, Oracle. Have you ever heard about Oracle?
Yes.
This is one of the software that implemented this idea. Any other? Any other? Yes. SQL Server is a Microsoft product. Same thing. There behind is the same relational model. Any other? Postgres. MySQL. Sybase. DB2. Is that what? No. There are more than 1,000 relational database. This is called relational database management system. It's a software. Somebody implement this idea. So in this class, we are going to use IDBMS software. Among a bunch of different implementation, we will use MySQL. Then further,
How do you write it?
this one,
No,
MySQL, SQL. I will let you know why SQL later. It's a structured query language, which is one of the popular database languages. We will see later detail. So MySQL is our selected the DBMS. It's nothing but software. Okay, database. When we are saying the database, actually it's a database management system. It's one of software. Okay, so they are based on the same idea, same concept. Which means if you know how to use MySQL, Oracle, Informix, Postgres, and the other, it's the same. 90% are the same function, same language. So it's don't worry. Even though we use MySQL in this class, the other pretty much similar, almost the same. Then we learn the level. We discuss about what is the data. Data is meaningful, important information, which means, so in our class and the project, we have information, like the UV, something happened, the UV community. Then our goal is what? Build a UV event database system. When we are saying the database system, means IDBMS, database plus application programming, like the web program, or Java program, or the Perl program, the PHP program, to utilize, to access the data. Then, how can we build this one? Directly? No. Some of the easy database, you can directly, some of the students say, I can do database. Why? Because I did a project in other class, like the creating customer, creating the item, creating inventory, that's it. Yes, that can be done easily. However, in the real life information, it's not that simple. First, we need to start. This is the information. Our goal is to build a database. What is the data? Data is a meaningful information. And related information. We need to find such a related information, like the student has the name, ID, address. Then teacher. And teacher teach student. Something like that. This is called entity. This is called entity. This is called relation. We will see detail later. So this is called ER modeling, or this is the data modeling. Just to model the data. Okay? At the time we use the ER concept. Model need something concept, idea. So for that idea, it's an ER. This is called the conceptual modeling. That's your second task of the project. Then this is just a model. Then we need to build a database. Using this relational model, build a database model. This is called the relational database model. Finally, implement your model using DBMS. It will be database system. This is an overview of what you are going to do throughout the semester. Okay. What time is it? It's already passed. You should let me know. Okay. So any questions? So next, yes.
What sir? Can I say the end product, end phase will be physical one?
This one?
You are saying this is a conceptual one.
Yes, the conceptual level and the physical level. Because it's physically implemented, we will discuss more. Okay? And next class, we will continue the discussion of this kind of overview of the database system. Then, I think that's pretty much it, the overview. Okay, thank you and see you next class.